This is Bouree from Handel's Water Music. It's a really fun piece played at any tempo. Let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Repeat. All right, let's break down how to play it. First of all, you need the sheet music for this, and send me an email, anthonyleerogers@gmail.com, or my website's down below, and tell me you want this piece of music and I'll send it to you. Starts here with the fourth finger. All that's in first position. Second fingers, this is C major. So now we do this trick where we shift up, shift on the old finger, to stay in key. You might want to do that trick where you shift to extended hand shape and drop your fourth finger on E. Play two notes, 4, 2, shift back to first position. That's one of the harder parts. You might have to practice that a few times. Fourth finger hop. Now we're to F sharps. C naturals though. Alright, other than that shift, all the notes are in first position. Now this is where it gets tricky. The second half of it, pick up D. Same trick where you slide up to C natural, hopefully, and place 4, 2. Right across the string is a 2 on the D, on the G as well. That's on the D string, it's a G. Same note as your open G, right? Do that again. Now there's lots of ways to do this next part. You could go back to first position and extend for your, play your open A and extend for a fourth finger. Then if you do that and you take this first finger, it was on B natural on the A string, but if you collapse it to closed position, it will be on the C natural that needs to be played for the very last note of that measure. See what happened? And I close it. But then you have to shift back too, and maybe up to a fourth finger again for an E. So there's a lot of shifting there. Here's a way to get by some of that shifting, but it involves jumping up a position almost every measure. So here, we'll start from the beginning of that. All that was normal, and then now we're going to go to third position. Slide up on the second finger, G, up to an A, and cross over to the C string to play that E. So that's in slow motion. See that? Literally, that's what I'm doing. My second finger is still even on the A, on the D string on an A. Because I'm going to play it here in 1 second. So you have all three of those notes in position. Now you shift on this G sharp, first finger, up to a fourth finger D, which you could stretch and do, but let's shift up to an A and place our fourth finger C sharp. Then 3, B, and we shift back for the next 3 notes to first position. We do the trick that we learned in the first step where we go from 1 closed to extended. C, B, C. Collapse collapse it and close it up to a C sharp. It was a C, now it's a C sharp. And then shift up a baby half step. Just a half step, not a baby half step. That's ridiculous. And then the rest of this piece is in first position. And then it kind of gets back to the beginning. And now we shift, I lied, it's not all in first position. The next part we're going to shift from a B up to an E third finger, but we're going to carry the first finger all the way up to a D and then drop our E. Back to first position. I hope that helps you out and you enjoy this piece.